Hey, I'm Nick, and in this video we're making baby food, and we're going to be using sweet potatoes. I got some organic sweet potatoes here. I'm going to start by peeling the skin off of them. I got the sweet potatoes peeled. I think 2 should be plenty here. I'm just going to cut these down. I have my oven preheated to 350 Fahrenheit, 175 Celsius. I'm going to roast these sweet potatoes. I'm just going to cut them down. I want about 1-inch chunks here. And roasting it's going to give it just a different flavor as opposed to steaming it. And sweet potatoes have a number of health benefits. They're loaded with fiber to prevent and resolve constipation. They have a ton of beta carotene and vitamin A, and just an overall great immunity booster for your child. So I'm just going to put this on a tray here lined with aluminum foil. Just pop this in the oven until it's tender. Check on this about 20 minutes. Got the sweet potatoes, they're all tender. I'll pop them in the blender here. And instead of using your formula, breast milk, or filtered water, I have some coconut milk to give it a different flavor. And I just added this to a pan and brought it to a boil. And this will kill off any potential bacteria. Add the coconut milk to the sweet potatoes. And I'm going to add 1/8 teaspoon of ground coriander. I like to add spices to the baby food, mixes up the flavors, and introduces new spices and flavors for the baby. Add that to a container with a rubber spatula, make sure we get everything out. This is a nice combination of flavors I'm sure your baby will love. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. We'll see you in the next one.